Indonesia. Indonesia, even though based on several race, several with various religions, various uh, languages, so we can be to be one. Yeah, which is called Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. But with the social media, many opinions with like yeah bad opinion or good opinion, they like try to propaganda to our mind. So of course, this is like the effect of the social media. If the social media is not exist now, so of course we cannot post our opinion. So no one knows our opinion. So, but it's okay. But nowadays with technology, many disasters are gonna be happen. But how? Okay, okay. The last thing that I want to say, the solutions. Yeah, the solution with these problems is that we have to select the information that we want to share. Okay, sometimes we want to share this. This is good or not. Yeah, okay. We have to